Hi guys, it's Crystal. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. Thank you for joining me. It's very beautiful here today, and I hope that it's beautiful where you are as well. So, I did it. I bought more Lion Brand mystery bags because Bagoday cannot pass up a yarn deal. They had them for $14.99. At the making the video, I believe it's May 21st. If you look, they still might have them in their clearance section for $14.99. Now, I know, because I bought so many Lion Brand mystery bags. They're just so much fun to open that they're probably all going to be the same. And they're probably going to have the same yarns in them as last time. But like I always say, there's always that chance that it could be different. It's still fun even when they're all the same. I think I have so much fun opening Lion Brand mystery bags. Out of all the mystery bags I've ever opened, even though, like I said, I know Lion Brands are going to be the same, it's just so much fun opening them. Let's do it. You want to? Ooh, that's heavy. Hey, these were $14.99. I don't feel a pound of love in here. Oh, I have so many pounds of love. I mean, I can always use the love, but I'm kind of getting loved out on the pounds of love because I got a bunch of them from Mary Maxim, too. Oh, this could be promising. Maybe it doesn't have a pound of love in it. Oh, I'm excited now. I'm super excited. There's no pound of love up in this one. Lion Brand ain't giving me no love. That's okay. Lion Brand, you're giving me enough. Trust me, you're giving me enough love to last a lifetime. Here we go. What is in here? Oh, Lion Brand, it's yarn. You know Lion Brand mystery boxes probably come with a yarn that is clearance yarn and they're trying to get rid of. But that's okay. Okay. All right. I hope it's not all going to be this yarn. That's okay if it is, because that's the way mystery boxes roll. And for $14.99, I am not going to complain. I'm not going to complain. I even used my Lion Brand points and got $20 off because I accumulated Lion Brand points from so many mystery bags. So, I got a bag of blue fun fur, which is fine with me because I purchased some of their fun fur when they had it on clearance. Some pink and some brown to make myself a blanket and my daughter a blanket. Now I think I'll make my youngest son Eli a blanket. He'll like that too. If these are all the same. And I'm going to say that they probably are. But anyways, $14.99. Is what I paid. So I got 3 of the fun fur in the blue. I'm happy that it's blue. That way I can make my youngest son one. Ooh, some more of this stuff. They put this in their mystery boxes when they started making mystery boxes at the beginning or end of last year, the middle of last year. I can't remember. Cotton blend. I like this yarn. I do. I have it in many colors. Well, I did have it in many colors. I've given it away. I don't even know if I have any more right now. But this one's pretty. It just has the bumpies a little bit that I'm not a huge fan of as far as the way it's twisted. I know you guys say you can see it better when it's open. I hate opening them because I know that I'm going to be giving it away and I like to keep it unopened, but I'll open it up for the sake of showing you. This is their cotton blend. Twisted cotton blend. This one's called Coral. They classified it as a bulky 5, and there's 98 yards, 69 cotton, 31 acrylic, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. Now, like I said, I like it. It's beautiful. Beautiful cotton acrylic blend, but it's got the bumpies. You see the bumpies? I'm not a huge fan of those type of bumpies either. So, but there's nothing wrong with it. It's pretty. So I got 3 of those. And then I got 3 homespun, which most people don't like. I am not a huge fan of homespun, but I do have tutorials using it. Homespun's not that bad. Come on, it's not that bad. It can be. This is the homespun thick and quick. I want to make something out of this, like a thick and quick blanket. It's really soft. It's a pretty color. Look at that. It's going to be self-striping. It's bumpy. It's like a boucle type of yarn. See that? It's not like a pleasure to work with, truthfully. But once you get going on a project, you can kind of see your stitches a little bit better. But like I said, I have a coat I made, a woman's coat I made out of this, and I've made a capelet out of it, and other things as well back in the day, older videos. I've been wanting to redo that woman's coat. So coral stripes. Well, this is bulky number 6, 8 ounces, 146 yards. So I got 3 balls of this one. So total, I got 9 balls for $15. Plus I got $20 off, but I got more than one bag. So you know what? That's not a bad price. So I got 9 balls for $15. So that's what, like $1.65 a ball, something like that. Yeah, something like that. So I mean, you really can't beat that. I don't care that it's faux fur, and I'm all over $2 or less balls of yarn that are usually more money than that. That's nice. I like it. I'm happy with that. Are they all going to be the same? More than likely, but let's do it. Let's check it out. It's big. They're heavy. They're heavy this time. Ain't no love up the knees for me. And it's going to be the same. I can see. No. Oh my gosh. This one is different. And I'm not lying this time. I got different. One time out of all the many Lion Brand unboxings I've done, this one is different. I've only got one that was different one other time, and it was just a different color of the same yarn. Okay, so I did get 3 more of these of the homespun. So now I have 6 of those. This is what's different. Oh, it's more homespun. That's okay. It's brown. I like it. It's beautiful. This is a pretty brown. What color is this one called? It's not the thick and quick. It's the regular homespun. 185 yards, and this is a bulky number 5. It's called Rococo. 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 R-O-C-O-C-O. Rococo. Rococo. I don't know. I like it though. It's pretty. I'll open it up and show you. It's brown, which is my favorite. It's got like some little different colors of brown up in there. See that? Again, I'm not a huge fan of the bumpies, but you know what? I think I can deal with this one. This one's a lot less bulkier than the other, so you'll be able to see your stitches a little bit better. Nice, and she got a pretty top on with it. I'm just happy it was different. It's homespun again, but it's different. Oh, it's all different except for those 3 balls of thick and quick homespun. So this is the rewind tape yarn. Now they did give this away before in the same color. I have a little bit of it here from before, but I like their tape yarn. I have a hat made out of it. I'm going to be making a bag out of it. The tape yarn is bulky number 5. It's polyester viscose. It has like a microfiber feel. I think it's good for bags and hats. They have a top made out of it on here. I probably wouldn't use it as a top, but it's cool. The tape yarn's pretty cool. I don't mind that. And again, for like $1.65 a ball or whatever, I'll take it all day long. Now I'm excited that they might all be different. They're so heavy. I think it's the homespun making them heavy. It's homespun. It's all homespun. Okay. This one is the same. So I got 3 more of the brown homespuns. 3 more of these big, thick, and quick homespuns. And then 3 more of the tape yarn. That's fine. I was thinking I was going to get a lot of this and make my son a blanket, but that's okay. That's all right. I'll make something else with it. It's more homespun. I like the homespun. I do. Okay, I think they're all going to be the same from now on. This is more of the brown homespun. You know what? Maybe I'll make a top or something out of that for fall. Just to, you know, use it. And redo my coat in this one. I don't know. I got a lot of this now. And 3 more tapes. I make a bag out of that tape yarn. It's variegated. Not a huge fan of variegated, but I think it'll make a cool summer bag. Especially the colors that are in it. I mean, They're green and kind of oceany looking, I guess. I don't know. I've never seen the ocean myself. It's on my bucket list, but I assume that it probably maybe resembles some of those colors. You can let me know in the comments. It's kind of dark in here today, ain't it? Sorry, guys. I gotta readjust my lights. I gotta get my husband in here to readjust them. He's my lighting guy, so yeah. Yes, I got enough, plenty to make a bag now. Plenty to make whatever I want with the brown. And definitely plenty to make whatever I want with this. You know, I could make a pretty blanket with this too. Boy, that earth row, that'd be really, really soft with that thick and quick stuff. Okay, I got one more bag left. Wow, I'm really excited. I got one bag that was different. I mean, see how excited it makes me just to get one bag different. One bag different, and the rest were all the same. All right, so this one is as well the same. So I got a lot of these, and I do like the brown. I do like the brown homespun. I do. But I will tell you the truth. I have some brown homespun that they gave away in mystery boxes in cakes, called chutney brown or something like that. That I saved for the coat that I was gonna redo. So I have it. I saved it from last year. I still have it to when I get ready to redo that coat. So now I have more brown. I like the other brown better than this one, so I can use this for something else, I guess. Or give it away in giveaways. I don't know. There's some more tape yarn. And I will make a bag out of this tape yarn, but I won't need more than one pack to do it. 219 yards. I probably won't need more than 2 balls to do it. And I got a lot of balls of it now. So that's my Lion Brand mystery bags. What fun I had. Okay, so... you know, like I said, it came out to be like $1.65 a ball, and then, you know, they charge a little shipping, but I had some of their Lion Brand bucks. I got $20 off, so that took care of the shipping, and then some. And so I'm happy. I will say I'm never unhappy with Lion Brand mystery boxes, even though I know they're all going to be the same. I did get one different. I will say though, I would have liked them all to be this one, and maybe one of them different with this one, so I could have made my son that blanket, but that's okay because they'll have this on sale again like they did before. They're trying to clearance it out, and then I'll hit it. I'll get it when it's on sale, because I know if I make my daughter a pink furry blanket, he's gonna want one in the blue. They didn't have the blue on clearance last time, but since they're putting it in the mystery boxes, I guarantee they're gonna throw it one day. That's gonna pop up in their clearance section. So I'll wait for that, and then I'll buy it, and then my son will have his blankie too. What fun I had. What a lot of homespun I have. Homespun is not everybody's favorite. Do you guys like homespun? Let me know in the comments. Like I said, it's not my fave, but I can work with it, and I can deal with it, and I'll do something with some of this. Some of it I'll give away if you guys, and giveaways if you guys don't mind it, and giveaways, because I can't keep it all. It's just way too much. I got 18 balls of this thick and quick. I mean, I can make a blanket, but I don't even think it'll take me 18 balls because it's so thick. I mean, I can make a throw with it. I'm not really all about making huge blankets myself, and I usually pawn my blankets off on my husband. He doesn't like working with homespun. I really can't say that I blame him, but I'll work with it, whatever. I had a good time, and man, I was super stoked that I got one different bag in there. That was so much fun, wasn't it? Let me know if you got the $14.99 mystery bags. Let me know what you got in yours, and let me know if you like homespun. I'm interested to see like the ratio of people who like it to don't. I'm gonna say more people probably don't like it than do, but you know what? I am just okay with homespun. I can use it. It's definitely not my favorite yarn, but I can use it. So that's it. Thanks everybody for watching. It's always such a fun time when Lion Brand sends mystery boxes. Now I purchased all these myself. I'm not affiliated with Lion Brand, but I can't help it. Every time they have them, I have to buy them. It's just like their mystery boxes are so addicting. I don't know why. I think, like I said, it's the thought of maybe I might get something different that draws me in. Plus, at $1.65 a ball, who can beat that? That's nice. I love it. Now, I can't guarantee you'll get the same thing that I do, because, you know, they're mystery. But let me know what you got in yours down below. I'm curious. Or show me on my Facebook page. I'm always interested. And I'll see you guys later. I think they do still have them on sale. It's 5/21/2022. Check them out. It'll be in their clearance section, all right? Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. I love you all.